Welcome to UBC's CK Choi building. This building is home to the Institute for Asian Research. As you move towards the main entrance, 5 silver arched roofs that rise along the building's length, giving the impression of ocean waves, are visible. The unusual purplish color of the brick cladding, all of which was salvaged from an old building demolished in downtown Vancouver, contrasts with the 100-foot coniferous forest looming behind. This is the CK Choi building, a building that was conceived and thoroughly planned to reduce most of its ill effects on the surrounding environment. Please head towards the main building entrance and make your way into the main lobby area. As you go into the main lobby, feel free to explore around the lobby and mezzanine area as we tell you all of the interesting facts about this building. Keep in mind that normal building operations are ongoing, so be mindful of others while visiting this magnificent building. Matsusaki Wright Architects was commissioned for this project, and after 3 years of planning and construction, the building was inaugurated October 7, 1996. The structural firm Reed Jones Christofferson was brought in as structural consultants, yet Matsusaki led an integrative design approach which brought all team members together at an early stage. This was a very innovative approach at the time. Nowadays, integrative design approach is the standard practice in most sustainable building projects. Matsusaki gave environmental attention to every possible aspect of the building, from the high percentage of recycled material used in construction to the natural ventilation. The designers challenged industry standards and came up with site-specific solutions in order to achieve all of the goals set for the project. The CK Choi building is a 3,000 square meter structure that contains offices, graduate student workstations, classrooms, and seminar rooms along a narrow building which are clustered around one of the different 5 atria. The original budget allocated was $4.5 million. The building's main sustainability features and uses of wood as a building material were truly groundbreaking and innovative at the time when building was constructed. As you make your way around the main lobby and underneath the mezzanine structure adjacent to it, the extensive uses of wood throughout the building become evident. The structural framing in the building is mostly made from wood roof trusses salvaged from the 1940s Armory building that was demolished in the early 1990s. Initially, the ungraded wood beams from the old building presented a problem. At the time, the grader found many checks and cracks in the wood which caused him to doubt the structural integrity of these members. Yet, by the end of the project, about 70% of the structural framing in the building was made from reused and salvaged wood members from the demolished building. The exposed heavy timber framing is distinctive and immediately visible from the building's entrance. Each timber piece was inventoried by size, length, species, and an initial visual grading as the Armory building was deconstructed, and assigned to locations in the new structural system. For the columns, pieces were spliced together with steel connections to achieve the required 3-story height. To achieve the necessary strength requirements, timber pieces were bolted together to form thicker cross-sections. Metal fasteners were recessed and covered with wooden plugs as an alternative solution to achieve the required fire rating. Additionally, new glulam beams and columns were strategically used to supplement the heavy timber framing members, most notably as the structural support to the custom-shaped, curved atrium roofs. The uses of wood in the CK Choi building as principal structural members has not only demonstrated the adequate performance of timber elements as main gravity and lateral framing members, it has also served as a benchmark for modern sustainable building requirements which promote the use of recycled and salvaged materials. As you exit this building, when this audio tour is finished, make sure to visit the adjacent Japanese flower garden located on the west wing of the building. This is the end of the audio tour for the CK Choi building. For more information about this building, make sure to visit all of the features available on the website. Thank you.